How to create Just Eat account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Just Eat account. Just Eat is a prominent online food ordering and delivery service. Here's how you can create an account on Just Eat. For that, you may also download the Just Eat application from Play Store or any other app store on your mobile device. Or you may also use the official website of Just Eat. Here I am going to use the official website of Just Eat, which is justeat.co.uk. Open any web browser on your device and in the search bar there type in justeat.com /sign up. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the go button of your keyboard in order to search for it. Within a while, you will be presented with various search results. Here find this www.just-eat.co.uk/register. It also says that has the heading Create an account. You need to tap on this first link and now you will be taken to this page. Here now you will need to fill out this information in order to create an account. In the first text box, tap on it and enter your first name. In the second text box, enter your last name. After that, in the third text box, enter your email address. Now in the last box, you need to create a strong password for your Just Eat account. Tap on this box and create a password. After entering the password, tap on this Create Account button. And soon after doing that, you will get a confirmation message on your email that your account is now set up. You can also open this email to check it. In the email, you'll also be able to see your username. Now return back to the browser and after that you will see you have successfully created an account on Just Eat. From here now you can explore the methods and start the ordering process. So by following these steps you should be able to create Just Eat account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.